Hello and welcome back. If you have attempted the soil formation practice paper, keep your scorecard ready. We will now solve all 15 MCQs and 2 numericals and understand the why behind every answer. Let's begin. Question 1. The answer is B. To a civil engineer, soil is the uncemented aggregate of mineral grains and decayed organic matter produced by the weathering of rock. Option D describes weathered rock that still keeps its parent structure, but that is still rock, not soil. Question 2. The answer is B. The geologic cycle runs in 4 stages: weathering, transportation, deposition, and upheaval, and then it repeats. Memorize these 4 words in order because examiners ask this directly. Question 3. The answer is B. Cohesionless soils, physical or mechanical weathering only breaks rock into smaller pieces with no change in chemistry, giving coarse sand and gravel. Remember the golden line. Physical weathering gives cohesionless soil. Question 4. The answer is C. Chemical decomposition. Chemical weathering alters rock minerals into entirely new clay minerals, which are cohesive, so chemical weathering gives cohesive soil. Question 5. The answer is C. Laterite. Laterite forms in place over its parent rock, so it is a residual soil. Loess, alluvium, and till are all transported soils. Question 6. The answer is B. Wind. Loess is wind-blown silt. An aeolian deposit. Quick hook. Loess equals wind. Question 7. The answer is C. Gravity. A talus deposit is the rock debris that rolls down and piles at the foot of a slope. A colluvial gravity deposit. Hook. Talus equals gravity. Question 8. The answer is C. Glacial drift or till is a heterogeneous, unsorted, and unstratified mixture because ice carries everything from boulders to clay together and dumps it without any sorting. Question 9. The answer is D. Aeolian. Read the word not carefully. Alluvial, marine, and lacustrine are all water deposits. Aeolian means wind, so it is the odd one out. Question 10. The answer is B. Lacustrine. Lacus means lake, so a still freshwater lake deposit is lacustrine. Marine is sea, estuarine is where a river meets the sea, and colluvial is gravity. Question 11. The answer is C. Montmorillonite. Black cotton soil is rich in montmorillonite, whose weak interlayer bonds soak up water, so it swells when wet and cracks when dry. Question 12. The answer is B. Laterite is formed by intense leaching in hot, humid climates. The heavy rain washes out the silica and leaves behind red iron and aluminium oxides. Question 13. The answer is C. Volcanic ash. Bentonite is decomposed volcanic ash, almost pure montmorillonite, and it swells enormously. That is why it is used as drilling mud. Question 14. The answer is B. The order of increasing swelling and activity is kaolinite, then illite, then montmorillonite. Kaolinite barely swells. Illite is in the middle, and montmorillonite swells the most. Question 15. The answer is B. A varved clay forms by seasonal deposition in a glacial lake. Each year leaves a coarse silt layer in summer and a fine clay layer in winter, and those paired layers are called a varve. Question 16. A numerical, we are given a liquid limit of 80%, a plastic limit of 30%, and a clay fraction of 30%. Step 1. The plasticity index is liquid limit minus plastic limit. 80 minus 30 equals 50%. Step 2. Activity equals plasticity index divided by the clay fraction 50 over 30, which is 1.67. Step 3. Since the activity is greater than 1.25, this is an active clay dominated by montmorillonite, in other words, an expansive black cotton soil. The answer, activity, is about 1.67 amount morillonitic expansive soil. Question 17, we compare two soils. Soil P has a plasticity index of 12 and a clay fraction of 30%. Soil Q has a plasticity index of 54 and a clay fraction of 36%. Step 1. Activity of P is 12 divided by 30, which is 0.4. Step 2. Activity of Q is 54 divided by 36, which is 1.5. Step 3. Soil P with activity below 0.75 is inactive, that is kaolinitic. Soil Q with activity above 1.25 is active, that is monomorillonitic. So soil P is the inactive kaolinitic soil and soil Q is the expansive black cotton soil. And that is all 17. Tally your score. 22 or more is excellent. 17 to 21 is solid, and below 17, just re-watch the concept lecture. You will get there. Remember, a brand new subject every single day. Tomorrow we begin Introduction to Solid Mechanics. Hit subscribe and the bell. Grab the free notes on our Telegram, Learn Civil Easy, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care.